What's that?
How are you doing?
What do you mean over there?
So you just tell me say you come to Jamaica girl and you make me know say
Me
I come.
just land. So me not even change out of my clothes yet.
Obviously, me hate your shoes though, no joke.
A style, you're gonna leave my shoes alone now. You see my place?
What how you come here? What you're not even you could have called me get something come pick you up.
You
Me get time so.
You're not worried about that.
Like you make it.
Becky.
Like life's nice for you.
Well,
you
yeah,
look
I'm not
pretty.
gonna say nice. I'm not gonna say I'm nice. You're nice, of course. We meet somebody. Full
Yeah,
of money.
and then they look. Who? So wait. How long you meet that man there?
What do I know? What do I know?
So you meet that man there good while now, girl, and me there, and I ask for money every time I look for me at $30, $20, $10 you send, go give me some
At
money
least
to
you
go
send.
and you have money, man, over foreign.
At least you get. You not get.
That's the money.
Of course, the money.
You have to tap it. You know.
So how much you want me to say now? $100?
200, 300. Since the money man in a shake him. You look for me give me $10, $20, $30. You're not even one cent me
You
a $50.
you should have grateful you get.
So when money man then come with you?
No, you not come with me, no fly, don't get.
Oh, but him a come. You look nice though, all I go on.
Thank you.
No really have nothing in my yard. Me hungry. Me there suffer. Yeah, nothing there to feed you. Nothing, no juice, nothing no there. So nobody look. Ask me if you want, not even water. Me not have.
Then the body finna have water in your yard. You
Not even
know
water me not have, me say.
so what in your hand?
And no water.
I want then.
Or something. Me can't tell
What
you something
is
to build
something?
my body. And energy juice. In the buckle.
So that the energy juice.
Me don't want to hear nothing what you have to say no. Cause you tan bad. You make it. Then way there. You fine man and everything. Cause your hair look nice. Your clothes look good. But you buy the shorts and them something there. You're in a dear crocs. But it ugly. At the same time. It ugly. But yeah. And you come tell me say I'm money man and that.
You
Never
want
send
live
me more than $30.
Talk about that. Are you want to live there?
Yes.
You win, want to change too.
Change, you have money man. You see, unu family like unu no go foreign. Let me please. Don't do that. Not
You want
because
a
you are
good
making.
chair. I was just saying.
You have issues.
Me not no issues.
You have problem. Fix them. Anything you say as far, give me some money.
No, bad to bad.
But I cost people who live in Jamaica and suffer and I help them.
Look how you sit down on the veranda. Look on the veranda.
Come on to me and.
Come out to your yard.
Because me I never have nothing yet but I push a look.
No,
go and go look
we
for your
not-
auntie them. Go and go look for somebody else. Me no want to see you because
Me
you
sure- me
help your family.
Make
them.
sure I know so auntie grow you.
You no help
Go
family
on the
member.
veranda.
Go
You
on.
can't sweep the veranda.
Go on with your rich self. Go on. Me broke and poor so me have to
bad.
look broke and poor. Go on. Papi sure. Come on. Ask that. Sure.
Oh God have mercy. Tired?
Where you come from?
I've had people in slavery work.
You there and work out for yourself. Guess how who come here?
Eh?
You don't never believe who come here.
Who girl?
Now we cousin from foreign.
That's who?
Amanda.
Alright, I tell.
Come here
I
and
will
look
report
good.
her.
No. If I did that, you would have better.
Why you that better?
You would have better than he come here and come hype for me.
No, no, no. God don't know.
He come here. My cousin, me find money man. Money man I find every time we beg him my money. You never send more than $30. Can't give it. And he have money man over find.
No, listen. Finding money man is a good thing for you, that. It's a really boss. If you come out of the ghetto. But if she send you $10 and $20 and $30, you have to be grateful for it. Look what family you find.
Aye, no bother with it, Grateful for what? As he reach, I for see my talk about we win them, I talk about we cheer, with this, with that.
No.
Just because me dey live poor, me just have to make sure say me catch him and tell him that if water no there, I mean I not forgive
But
him.
as me say, you have to understand this. You can't force her to give you her money.
He's supposed to give way. He's supposed to give way.
Yeah.
Night per night when mommy is there with me, after we had in there. Night per night when he did a hungry. When he man had nothing to give him, I will see. So me no want to hear nothing. He's supposed to give way.
You put money in her pocket?
We give him, so if he give, we give him. We give him.
So, yeah, look back everything when
Yes, me are looking back. Cause right now we need it. Yeah. Next one, you just come in, pat down, and then I'll come talk about. Me need it
you
back.
never put no money in her pocket. So me now.
You might not put in her pocket, but you supposed to add that with them people, and then they go find and forget who did it for them from beginning. Yeah, we did it with him. He not even say make he set me up on one of money man them over there.
What you want to try to give you a job?
Give me which job? I ain't supposed to give me money.
So you just want to sit down for your big bumbo and collect money?
Don't come disrespect me now.
No, answer me now. Answer me now.
Yes, money for they come in. What's that going to find man? He find man with him. He find man with even if he not alright. So for example, he don't want to give me no money. He could have sought me out. With one man, money man, happy have friend. A stingy girl, stingy.
No, you see, this is the reason why she not gonna find none, because you envy her and you're very.
Me not envy nobody. He's supposed to give me. He's supposed to give me money. He's supposed to give me a money man. He's supposed to make me life start out to. Even if he come back here to concrete house. Even if he give me money, so I could build a concrete house when comfortably enough to go to places or a hotel.
So, okay. So if you go foreign, go work, maybe send 9 money, hard working money come give you.
Oh, so if you say you go foreign after me slave, what if more time to feed you? You have to feed me. Your bride, not even bring up that. You can't come turn me and turn like a them. Out of that. You ever know a girl come here and come hype for me?
Hey, man,
He shoes ugly now. And come here and hype for me.
Why you so jealous?
Me not jealous. It's not jealousy. He could have set me up with one money man too.
Me teach you something.
And he had me number and always call me that the family mix up. He could have helped me.
Never you make nobody look a partner for you.
Me never tell us that me want a partner. Me want a money man. Even if a man did a beat up me skin, me no business as long as I get the money. Me alright with it.
You know, sometimes my mother did push me out and she shouldn't push you out.
Why? What make?
And she shouldn't go and get you.
What make you shouldn't get me? I mean I wise one, you're too fool. Everybody you're sorry for and they're not sorry for you. See you're the slave way. If you go to America now, if nothing will happen and none of we sick. Then quick fi come push out money door. If none of we dead, then quick fi come push out money door. But you come and contact all that before you.
It's easier to bury a dead than feed the life. Let me tell you that.
Give me the money when me life. Me don't want it when me dead, me can't spend it. Yes, me enjoy it now. Fling me down in a hole. No bury me. Dig one hole, fling me in a head. Come and come tell me.
I can never use this. I can never use this.
He too tan bad. You did not cook and your juice step on the table, but at the same time.
Me not even bother with no food if I say you galang.
Oh, me a galang.
Me belly full.
What me belly?
People like how no? Nobody never come back on me and found no.
Me don't want she never me no kind tan bad. $30. $30 money.
And 4,500 that.
4,500. How much you light bill? How much you water bill? How much you food bill?
She responds you like
If it mind me, cause we did mind him when he younger.
Me don't know what to say about
Me no business. What I'm going to dinner? And tap. Come and tell me rubbish and me yes, no me fi sorry for him. Both ugly no. Right. Out of that. Nah, no respect.
What's up? What happened?
Nothing.
Yeah, so you answer so like you don't remember me. How you look so?
Oh, me look.
Nervous like you're frightened to see me or something.
Yeah,
you look
because-
nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, you look nice when your shoes look a bit dirty, but it's...
I just please.
You're alright, man. You're alright. So what you do? A long time I don't see you down here.
Because me just flying back.
Oh.
Me
Yeah,
never
foreign.
there.
Nice man, the foreigner show up on you. All in your foreign, you can look for India and see foreign. See America right there, so. Yeah, man. But different still. You know nobody want no worker.
No, sir, you know, me just flying, so I'm not really sure about that.
Why?
But me do want somebody to deal with something for me, you know. Because I have so other things to deal with.
What
So
kind of something that anything at all me can deal with, man? You want me lift up one whole house, me one can lift up anything at all me can do. Believe me.
how you not say?
Yeah, man, any work to get done, me can deal with it.
Yeah, man, I just for ship. I have to bring back in, you know.
I
Yeah.
think something that man. You want to give me a hook?
Yeah, man, that can't go on. You can't get a job. Really, I somebody to do that.
You deal with him, man. You pay a good one, sure.
Yeah, man, me pay good. You don't have to worry about the payment.
Alright, fine, sister. I am an ambassador, you know, sure.
No, I'm not have to give me it back.
You have me for, 3826111.
3826111.
That's right, in it. Make sure you link me, you know.
Yeah, man, they're going to link you.
Alright, and make sure you say check nice too, you know, like how you nice.
Alright. I'm sorry, what time?
Evening, I don't know, say at 5:30, you know.
Murder over the reach
Your father?
Yeah,
Oh, you know how you go, so.
I'm not to go home.
Go home for, different question. So, you know nobody with no work, who want no worker.
I want to work.
You know, no work at all, no local construction, no local tiling, anything. Fix car, fix AC, fridge, machine, anything.
Really good.
You don't know nobody else. You don't come from here.
No, only just that school. I just come up here. Isn't it?
So, how your name?
Actually, can't
Alright, me and David, hope to see you around.
Take me.
Take care too. God, how can I deal?
Auntie.
Where you come from?
I come from this one. That way?
Of course, your father in our house. You just come in and sleep. Where you come from?
Oh, this one.
So many see when you left out of yard.
Because I don't know where they did them time yet.
Turn around.
Java.
Oh. What when I make you little boy them attack to you in that ear, you know? You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Other than that, you eat?
No, I'm not eating.
Me cook food. I don't know if you want it.
What kind of food?
Cabbage.
Play cabbage.
Me can't feed you if your mother send you down here, you know. Fine, your mother send you down here. Your problem, you know, me realize so you're too
them
high.
food, them eat burger and them type of food then.
Eh?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
I said it bossy.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll put on weight and thing.
Me can't feed you. And your pop boss can't feed you because of him one.
I want to test you.
Thank God you come out. You hear mama?
Where they from? Where they? You know some coming. You never know some coming. Where they from there?
You come to the excitement for.
Here they.
Okay, I never listen to that. Say they coming.
So he might pick me and your pa.
Shut your mouth, you know. Shut your mouth, you know.
Me, if you shut my mouth, they can't.
Because of your attitude, you have some of your attitude too.
In our attitude,
Your
you know,
attitude
come from me.
stink.
You know, come from me.
Answer the question, where you come from? Look at the time now.
Come to the time.
Look at what time now. 5:37.
And mom says she hungry, but she can't. She not eat cabbage and a cabbage. Me cook. Says she eat burger.
Hello! A cabbage she cook? A cabbage you go and yam. Yam the sauce rice.
I eat cabbage.
And yam the sauce rice with butter.
Here.
We don't cook 2 times in here. Once you cook 1 time, it serve us the lunch, dinner, and breakfast and morning.
Are you your fault, listener?
Oh,
Your fault.
it's my fault.
Because you went to take him from my little picnic.
Listen to me. Take him from the little picnic and who watch you when they look at her.
Me don't know no
You always sit down with your big bum bum at the time. I just said you put on weight, you know.
Me would have watch him run up and down, but me not clean nothing, not take care of nothing there. Sorry.
So
Then I go get him.
I'm not touching your time to go on in.
Come on, are you for come on now? Say all that.
Sit
You're
down.
gonna look for
Sit
your
down. Sit down.
you're gonna look for your party and pass if you go on in.
Let me tell you something.
Why?
Your mother now go send you up here if you can run up my blood pressure. Me will screw off your head. As much as me and my sister can agree sometimes, but we screw off your head and she will help me screw you off.
Thank you. And Kiki too.
Don't make that no man.
Yeah, that you don't know. Now come down here with the dirty attitude, miss. That she will find
Where you get that put on for your exam? Listen me. We are natural people here. We don't deal with flaws here.
Remember saying her your style, so you can.
Yeah, what?
You have for your style. For your style, you have. You cannot. She cannot. She have people in the fast here. Right.
My style.
Yes, your dry head you get. You get your dry head.
Why are you your style?
Me don't know. My style nice enough. But me don't know about you know. Me don't know where you come from. You sure say no jacket?
What jacket?
Oh, listen, mind the business.
Me a jacket, I'm not having a jacket for.
Mind the business. I know you may talk to you, no look girl. Remember, say me auntie, you know, me is not your mate. Oh.
I'm your car jacket. I'm me, I'm me first
Mister,
I'm
make
first
sure
born.
say you have no jacket. That me I tell you. Cause my son nice, I feel just die.
That's why you can't get that me. You're bad mind, you're jealous of me from you're bad, can't see me.
I rather know how none than how one will talk to me so.
Talk
Go
to
in
me.
here and say a shaper.
If you open up your mouth and say nothing to me, maybe shut in my back.
Say something to you.
Good man.
I'm here to say good. I'm here to say good. I'm here to say good.
I want me to every day I come fire liquor for me.
Yeah.
Because you're not learning. Me tell you don't go out on the road, there's too much boy out there so. Stand here with the auntie, one more company in
Stand with you, auntie. When me I go about my business, me not have time for them watch picnic. No. Don't tell me if you stand with no auntie. Tell me if you stand in the house, they could be in book. And that's if you do.
But you can teach her.
No, me. You see me look like me. Me there stand in a school, so me don't know where you come and go tell me if I teach him. Every bullfoot, because me don't know nothing what to teach him say. Me no teacher. Right now I'm rich man, me a look.
You see,
Oh.
yo,
And my cousin come and he have to give me one rich man whether I like yes or no. Oh.
stop. Put your mind for a rich man. Put your mind for go get a job.
Me no work no 9 to 5 a slavery business that me not doing it. Oh, me not do it. You can't tell me if you do no slavery work. If I say be a man come by the earth here, if you come man, we. Yeah.
Hello. Cut your garbage. Everybody in a relationship is 50-50.
Who's everybody?
50-50.
You're sick.
Cause one man
a
can't do
sugar
it.
daddy. Me never say me want a relationship, you know. Because me no want no lobby-dubby nothing. Hand me the money and me hand you what me can give you. Yeah?
Man, you see, when me see one of the from social media, so pass away. Because sometimes when miss something and find when pass away. This is why when pass away and run no rich man. The rich man go to some lavish lifestyle, and then after he go to some lavish lifestyle, they sacrifice, you know.
Nobody not sacrifice me. The one where you cousin to find, he did sacrifice him. He sacrifice him.
You know ready yet?
Should they live happy life? Me want to live it too. Me want to live
You don't
lavish.
know where she live.
Me want to go to Margaretville. Go drink pina colada. Yes. And then the life that me want to live. Me want a man to call me on the phone and say, B, come, make me buy a brand new red dress and some heels and a brand new wig. And some heels and some brand new wig.
With this body here. All we use the one over here to mash up the foot them. You idiot.
All your mind I tell you say you're funny though.
You go see that we use them. You use them about Lord Jesus Christ. He said, I can't come off now. You can't come off now. Don't wear it.
You can't tell me that. Me, I go find my rich man who are going to give me that day. Alright, somebody kiss me. Take
You
for me
remember
cousin one. I better me take for me cousin one.
Your sister Patsy advice and what happened to her. You hear what she said? She buy the heels and when time she reach down the road, he is broken foot.
You can't tell me that. The man me I go get I will drive BMW, come pick me up. Can me go get my nice meal, my dinner, all type of stuff, come back home, and the next day go get a massage, me go to the pool. Yeah, and then me life them so live. Yeah, me not shake your hand cause you're salt. No, you're salt, you're salt.
You're dream, a real
You're
dream.
salt, no dream, me a dream, me must get him even for my cousin one. Oh, remember say me tell her that.
Okay, I'm serious.
So me friend?
Alright. Alright, say anything you want to say. And you!
Not tell him no,
Warning.
God, that be a foolish.
Warning.
Be a foolish, say I tell him. Like he
Warning.
I want me to
Warning. Warning.
I make
just
him
do it, please.
Listen, I'm not telling this. Stop ready on your cousin.
Me not ready, I'm my cousin.
Because you go, you
If it's share, the man no want a relationship. I bet any money say no relationship the man want, but she's stingy with the man. Share him with him cause make me get some too.
maybe if you have something good, you get a good man.
Me so fine one. By cook or crook. Oh, right.
Yeah. You go on the road. Don't make that little girl come back out of the house.
Me not watch nothing for you. You don't talk. And do what you want to do. Suppose you go there and get a rich man. What about business there, man?
Yeah, you have to me like a 14-year-old daughter. You go out there go get a rich man.
And? Something wrong with that? You take me out of poverty and see we are hungry.
I will steal a property that my 14-year-old out there on the street. He's a dirty dog, you. And when I know, we should like your jacket here, man.
I jacket, they say jai. Bright out of that. Cut up for me a jacket. Spot me a jacket. I jacket out of that. Must get a man, me must get one.
Watch out.
Watch it.
What are you doing now?
You mean the girl do run or something? I this
No,
morning. No, I'm flying this morning. But I come over here and I never see you.
So, sister going to?
1-0.
Dirty and bad man, eh?
What do you mean?
Me say she ungrateful, she's jealous of you. I tell her that.
So why you a bad man, your sister?
So
Your
what?
sister, no?
So you want to say me bad man, my sister?
And that you do.
How?
That bad man, your sister. All the one bike a come.
We say something to you and you say me.
Yes, because on the side they are show me.
Listen, come on time man them way. So I show you, what you can't say me bad mind you. You're my sister. I don't bad mind my
Maybe can't say
sister.
so.
First of all, me a work, right? And me provide food over there. She not provide none. All the things she do is sit down on her big bum at the time. She don't do nothing more. So me know why
But me
you.
send her money, not you.
Me don't know of that.
What do you mean you don't know of that?
You say no, look 10 and 1, 20 and 1, 30. That's why I tell you to be careful. And you chat too much. You go tell them boy you find money, man. That's the worst part of your mouth. You chat.
No, my cousin.
Listen to me, and everything make you talk. You keep it to yourself. That's why someone who bless him take away. When you get it, it's well like that. Because you chat too much. Keep your
Chat can't too much. If chat is too much, God do the give tongue to talk.
Oh, so you see it? Alright. You should have juked me in my eye. You
And that me should have do. Do cut
fight
it two
the
of
sing
them.
song to me. I mind my own business. So let me mind my own business.
And that everyone that pass the people business.
You want your head?
Little Pitney. Right so now, me I run go up on the road. You understand? Oh, you're rude. Don't ask big woman that. You're not easy. Anyways, me I go up on the road, right? So, you wanna go there? Keep that door locked. Stand in the house. Do not bring no man come and me yard. And if you bring a man come here, make sure say the man have money. You understand me? But me already you know cannot come here.
I don't want a man, a school me a focus on.
Okay. Okay. No problem with that. So that's all I have to tell you. You hungry?
Yeah.
You want the bun? Yeah, because by the time I walk out this, I get something different. You understand? So yeah. Can in I as I was galangi. More when me come back here, me can't hear you. Alright.
Right now, to make you I'm going up on the road, like I'm not wanting to shoot.
Watch ya.
As a few clothes, they nice.
You ever compliment me about my clothes? And the clothes you come here to talk about in our business.
Yeah, business we are chat woman, but we just have to tell us you look nice to the picture.
Yes, thank you.
No problem.
So you ready for the job?
See, you're coming nice too. Yeah, of course, I'm ready. I've been ready for 6 o'clock morning. There.
Cause I say anytime. Good evening.
Afternoon.
I am only man.
Walk on the road with the meat in your hand.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You tell if I come back and judge me or no.
Alright.
So your money man finally come and you're not even introduced me to him. Every time after your time, you're selfish.
But
You're selfish. You're selfish. You keep him for yourself.
but
You keep this man to yourself. You're not no friend. You're not no friend.
what you talk about?
It's not be nice, man. It's a conversation of fear.
I don't really what I think, you know. I don't really like doing something there.
You're not too stingy. And that would know. You have your money, man. There, Jamaica, and everything. And before you come introduce me, so I can say I can get one of my friends. If I can start serving myself. You come and contact all type of food. You're not saying to me, man. You're not tan good. You're not tan good. You're not tan good. You're not tan good. That's smart. Me have a big piece of chicken and you have money, man. Yeah, before you help out your cousin. Beg your money, no?
I'm not saying more money myself.
You're nice, though. Bad too bad. You're a handsome guy.
Thank you.
Yeah, you have little tears. You have little tears. Cause you have little tears. Me respect him. Yeah, me respect him.
Are your cousin?
Yeah. Are you in always a talk boy and tell me say he find this man when no top spend on him or something? That you.
Oi!
Right. Him. You can't tell me nothing. You want to keep him for yourself.
No,
But all is well. Let me not see you hug up.
No.
It's all is well. All is well.
I know,
How are you say? May you be back up on next time. You hear?
Alright, so I'm
Yeah.
not going to
You're too mean. You stingy girl you be. You can't set me up on one money, man. Who got hand though?
Your cousin for sure. You know it.
Yeah, my cousin. No, what try I say, yeah? No, what try I
If
say.
me had this money, man, I now work so hard and every day, man.
I mean, I try to tell her, say I know you. And she,
I tell you, make me have in my head. You need to tell people send me money. And people will look for me better. So, wait a now, what time we can start to work? Because from morning, I'm there. Well, want to lift up some black acid.
yeah, man, we can start work by now. And after 1 hour.
Alright, that's all about right.
Yeah, so meet me back right after we can do a rotation.
Alright, how are you put it here? Month.
Week time.
Alright.
Alright, every weekend.
There so. Not even a move. Right, that's somebody there and I wait for the money. Wait for the work,
Alright.
Work, yeah, wait for the
How are you go?
Thank God me buck up on you. Yeah. Where you come from? Let me be in the yard hungry.
Me not left you with him.
Me no
left you with her.
Me no babysitter. Okay. Can you believe, say, me cousin man come?
Who?
Me cousin man come.
So what wrong with that?
The money man.
So what wrong with that?
And you know, can't go introduce him to me.
For what?
So me can ask him man for one money man too.
You can't so serious.
You deaf?
You can never so serious.
He's stingy with the man and I try to like him, I try to tell me all type of Anansi story. Me have to cut him off and talk to his brethren.
No, you can't do that.
And nothing not attack me for take him time man look good.
You see, I'm telling you, you're licky. From the day you're born, you're licky. When mommy a cook food, you want 10 dumpling. You're licky. You have satisfied with what you get.
Nothing no go so. Ask what you want, go after what you want. What me want right now, I'm a cousin money man.
Hey. Watch
By
it.
who can cook me, I get him.
Tell you now. You don't have no sense.
Who no sense? Are you no sense?
What that?
Kakude. You not even get yourself fresh up and put on different clothes. Not at all look the same every day.
No, listen, I'm my working clothes.
Me no business if I working clothes, back road clothes, me no business. We need money and me a go after that money, man.
No, you can't do that.
Eh? Tap me. Tap me now. Me want you come in and me wear.
You
And see if me and your brother and sister. Yeah.
Oh, you...
By hook, the crook, the nook, Me, I get that
Why
money,
not?
man.
Why not look a job? Me tell you.
Me nah look no work. Top tell me if you look buck.
You know say could a company work?
Me want be a passenger princess. Me no want look no work and the only brown highest color girl them can be passenger princess.
What you call
And the
passenger
only female
princess?
cousin alone can be passenger princess.
We call passenger.
Passenger princess are princesses that men bring around and spoil. I wanna be one of those.
So, and that's why you're jealous now because she been spoiled and she get what she wants.
Right, me want spoil too.
If you want spoil, don't beard for the rest of your entire life. And you will spoil. That's all me can tell you. Don't beard. Just don't beard.
Me not have nothing like you. And you no beard. You don't know water. You
What a
don't
girl
know
like
water.
you, what a girl like you bright.
Me, I get my passenger princess treatment by the Fukari cook and I like the man. The man look good. Yeah, well shave up and thing. Look nice.
You see now, you see, I just, you see,
And he have whole heap of money. Me look on his pocket. And I see him pocket cock off. So I know money
you
up
sure
there.
have money in the pocket?
Me sure. Cause I see it. And she a try to protect the fact you don't want me talk to the man.
Prison now go miss you.
She don't want me talk to the man.
Prison now go miss you.
With her knock me like she look good.
Prison now go miss you.
Me having blonde hair, I try to be white girl them.
Oh, so you go jar.
Me no grudge her, but me a passenger princess too.
Which part? Mama, you can't hold in the car, you're too big. No man no want you in no front seat.
Me a passenger princess too. Too.
No.
Even if me a no cute, me no cute like
no,
that. Even me
yeah,
a passenger
alright,
girl
alright.
and me a passenger princess too.
Alright, you're a passenger princess, but guess what? A wheelbarrow them will push you in there.
They not push me no wheelbarrow. Go and go beard. Yeah, you worthless pitney. Me a try to help out to and you come and go on like me must get that man there.
A wheelbarrow.
Last with that money there. You want that money there.
Yeah, again? Nothing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a walk about the place. So. You alright?
So me I look for eating and money?
Me and the money.
Yeah.
How much money, sir?
2 grand.
How much?
2 grand. I really big in my belly for my fridge. Yeah.
Yeah, like you tell me, you don't want 2 grand. What do you want 2 grand?
I want to buy something to eat. My hungry. Me tell you so I'm
Walk on, just so. When me left you? So what you do this?
I'm hungry. I want something to eat.
As this a shame you call on for me.
I'm ashamed of not going to feed. You're not going for money.
Sorry, make it up. You're not freestyling, man. You never move now about it. You just there ask me if you could have get something.
I left food there. I cooked cabbage with my sister. I cooked cabbage yesterday.
I'm going to tell you something. Don't eat cabbage or burger.
Me say if you warm up the rice, you could have warm up some more rice. This man not eat. You make me look like something I eat there.
Sorry, me not pray them way there, man. Plus, you not have to shame my road, man. Carry on for your yard. Not do it on the road.
No, them a pick me and bring down shame from people. And them make government come down pan way so we not feed you now. We are feeding you. You know want yam cabbage. Cabbage is good food. You know what they want to eat? Burger. KFC. Popeyes.
And then something for eat.
Take up one of the chicken them, you hear? And get a dish towel and squeeze and see the amount of oil come out of it. Or pay oil go down in the belly and a chicken, a oil. Listen,
You understand what you're saying? But not do it on the road. Me no business,
you don't know when them a pick me and carry down shame for me.
No.
The mother telling me carry down shame for me.
No, it's what me I say. Me no business personally, you know, cause somebody me a wait for to give me one. What you not work? You know nobody wanna work.
Well,
You can't chop grass and lift up house, machine, fridge, anything. You want ice cream? All ice cream you can. Anything.
ice cream.
Anything you can do.
Alright, yeah. You see next time you see you on the road, I beg, me go pop your nose, and me go pop your hand, and me go pop your foot so you won't lift the yard. Come
Why
in.
because you not give me the one you want. Taste more burger. See, I don't want cabbage. I don't want rice. Burger, I want.
You go buy a tin mackerel at shop and you flash out it. You not even have your topping. You just flash out it on the rice.
I don't feel it right now. Burger, I want.
And that's why in life I'm not going to reach nowhere because I'm not going to broke my pocket because of fast food. You know what I cook? You know what I cook a matter of fact. You might pick stress me, you know.
Boy,
Stress me.
that's how you go, man. But
And a girl picking in them, I even give them what they want. See, a pan road then come. Pan road then
you're
come.
right, you know. You're
Next
right
thing
about
you could in a bed.
I don't lie,
Eh?
you're right about that. You have teaching them to show me now.
You don't come pan road, come back people. That's disgraceful. To say,
One more hungry, I want to something to eat. don't want to tell
Fuck you,
you.
I
I don't want anything.
People take advantage of you. Can't do that, man.
You see next time you see him on the road, beat him, send him home.
Nah, beat nobody pick me, no uncle.
Me say, me give you the chance.
Nah,
Beat
nah,
her.
pick me for myself, me nah beat nobody pick me. But
Listen me.
different from that. Cause when you a chat about, me nah chat about. You know, no work. And money me a different.
Oh, right. I talk to my boss tomorrow
Talk
morning.
to him, man. I hear somebody there. I
Alright.
work me away from right now. You pick the door. Carry my yard and talk to him. Not do it on the road, can we feel shame. I want to rebel against you. But me, I work me a talk about. So talk to your boss and come back and talk to me. Then the time that me can converse my father. But big up yourself, man. There's somebody there wait.
Alright, but yo, see all that man.
So now I come out with the problem before I continue money, man. Chat.
How you want?
You may talk to?
Yes, you. You're a cup of
Anyways, where your father there?
I'm just running here.
Where him there?
What are you?
Alright, listen now, you people.
You're not come pronouncing what I'm saying.
What about this little girl, your father in here then?
You run the eat, so me I run you.
Me look like... Me and you look like size?
That no matter.
You look like size?
Oh
I
God.
don't care if you come.
Let me tell you something. You see any day, you think you're bad, put your foot back to the gate, go beg. You want to bring down this family? You want to bring me never yet walk on the road and
That's
beg.
what the excitement for.
You don't go on the road, go beg, you know right. You know right. You know, say, look here, the family will beg money.
Then other to work on too?
Listen,
Yeah, what
when
can
I
they?
tell him not give me enough to eat, you know. He might cook cabbage and rice, I'm gonna want a burger me want.
Your interest, aye.
Let me ask you a question.
You know, long
You work to buy burger?
That's about him and my father. He
Not
not give
no
me
say.
the money. So I'm
Then I disappear. No! I disaster say and I go.
I don't know why mother send him come for.
Are you picking this?
Can't manage his stress.
I could be able to let you so.
Yeah,
Achieve this.
yeah. She's him one.
Group on another manners.
Nah, no man is kind of
I ask
grow
for
with
what
me.
me I do ya. Why run me?
The day I started the day I tell him grandmother. I started the day. You better just keep him. And you're wicked too. Can you just carry him on the plane and run off with him too? You run off alone. Yeah.
For me, answer a question. Me look like me have a picnic.
It no matter.
It look like me have a child.
At least you don't get government child support care over there.
Oh, and I can say, me not run off with nobody picnic. You work and get a picnic.
What are they?
You work and
I
get
want
a...
that them is just here whatever. Look back at him.
Anyways, you work and get a... Me not talk about that. Leave me and my tongue alone. You work and get a picnic, take care of your
That's
picnic.
so foreign change, you know. I could have been all them tongue in there.
Why you here do so far?
I chat a while ago and me see just jump out. Me think I want to see
mix
me.
up and mix
Me think I want to see me.
Ask me, man, this
Hey,
thing. Anyways,
you
none of that
let
me
me
come
do
over
that,
here
I
for.
can't take you.
You're not back. But anyway, I don't want to chat to. You see me sister? I'm going to tell you again. Stop laugh up with her. Stop. She's very wicked. She's jealous. She ungrateful. She not grateful for nothing. And me, she don't send the money all along. You send she. We sit up on them big bumbo at the time, yes sir. And that with you.
Are you jealous? Are you show me a sign of jealousy? Anyways, I that come over here for. Me don't come over here to talk about you and your sister. I come over here to give you a work.
You gotta give me work.
You want a job? Or you don't want it, me come back to my yard.
How much a day?
I mean week, how much a week?
How much a week?
Let me see. It depends on how you work. If you take your work serious, you will get a good pay. But if you not take it serious,
No, me
you
not
don't
like
get
it.
chunk
No.
change.
The last person said it depends on how me work and when me done work a 5 grand me get.
No, why would I look for you give 5 grand?
How much a week? Estimated. Tell me. Low or high?
60,000.
How much?
60. Whatcha?
Me not hear about it. Where is it?
60,000 a week, Papa.
Backside! Then I walk and I slave up myself on people dirty work up there so 20 grand a week. And you give me 16. Lord.
Me never say 16, me say
60 me mean,
60.
sorry, 60. So a 3 week, what I pay that? In a 1 week. Deal.
Okay.
Deal. So deal. 5 day a week? Me never pass Saturday, me never pass Sunday.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Fine
you.
by me.
So I'm going to yard now, my sister say.
Alright.
Can't chat too much. When you see her, it's a long talking. She does a chat.
I don't do check me.
No, you check me when you're ready. Me now waste my fear come up there. You check me. I mean now
Then
waste.
if I spend fear come up there, me now get it back.
Alright, you check it.
Okay.
Check it.
Hello.
Hello.
Evening.
Evening.
Hello. You know, sister, me try to stop you.
You feel just as evening.
Good evening.
Good morning.
I'm glad me catch you without my cousin.
What?
Yeah. You know, you ain't money man and him something there, but right now,
me and money man. Me no have
you
that.
can't fool me. You know, me say, she tell herself it's not so, right? And she tell her to say that.
Oh, me no know no money man for him. I don't mean that.
Then, how you look so? Like you have money.
Me have money, but me and a money man.
So you have money by you now?
Me have some money in my bag, but we can't ask me so much questions.
Oh, you have money. Anyways, I mean, I have to go there now.
For? You make you want me?
I mean, I have to go there. My cousin one can't have you.
You don't understand the relationship with me and cousin house. I don't have you have me. You have
Yeah, him there. But as a matter of fact, I don't rang you. I don't rang you still. This one because she's nobody. You understand? Now, me, I have to go then I want a relationship. You have to go left her for me.
Me and you have to go there.
Mm-hmm.
So you can offer.
A whole heap of stuff. See there? Whole heap. Whole heap of stuff me can offer.
I will leave. Stop.
All I have to do is just make sure you spend.
Spend. Spend.
Yeah, me want you. Me like you because you're cute and
So you come
you
like.
know.
So you come like you just want for money, so.
No, me no just want it
So
for
you
your
want me
money.
for?
Me want you because you're cute and you're nice and my cousin one can't have you.
You sure say you not lie to me?
Yeah, me sure. I have to go left far. For me.
Alright, tell her.
Mm-hmm.
You know her link said we, but I don't like what you think.
Oh no, do not them man. You
I
but
know,
you
I
now
know,
have
I
to
know.
go left him for me. Simple.
Alright, me and you can do.
Mm-hmm.
But me and some work I deal with things said doing so me and go tap do that. And some extra
So you
money.
still a give her money. You have to go stop give money and give me hate. Stop give her money.
Alright.
Yeah,
That
so
can
me and you
go.
have to go just do what do with thing, you know?
That can go on, man, but here I go on now, me I go down hardware to spend some of my money in my bag, so I'm soon come back here.
Yeah, make sure you buy something on the road for me. You know, let me show you where I live. You see that lane there? You just go straight down the first house, you see. Yeah, there's some live.
So how you like?
Anything expensive.
Expensive.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to buy shit.
Alright, later.
Alright, you come here.
See, just let me get in. Bro,
Huh? I'm gone. Oh, we're gone.
How go on, General?
Yeah. Just a come off ice slavery, man. Tired?
I'm my boyfriend, you know?
Can't see it,
Huh?
I'm my boyfriend.
Sometimes everyone joking now.
I'm a boyfriend. Mende. Don't you, babes?
Yeah, man. Official, man. See me answering your love off my cute face, you know?
I thought the lie you look me.
Come.
Man, look you. And you are looking, man. Michelle. Because from me know you as a... From me, you go to school. And you always around with me boy, then. A big mama, they used to call him at school, you know?
Big mama, so you're an animal, big mama.
Stop telling that you don't even know they mess something there. Me never, I mean look you or you look me.
Yo, we say I walk in the mirror, but me hear, good evening, say evening back. You hear me now, good evening, and I run me down, but you know, I'm a chatty story, me I tell chatty.
Hello, door, you black me.
So the day I sit there, I say,
No, every chance, every time, you just embarrassing.
No, me not say nothing wrong. I'm virgin, nothing wrong with it.
man.
Yeah.
But me I say, I must you look the man.
Me not look him. What me I look him for? Why reason me I look him?
Alright, me no want to feel that way. I ain't look me. You know I ain't look me.
Is that...
No,
Me
me
see
say
that.
so.
Don't do that.
Where is it?
Me not look you.
No, me say
Be honest, me never look
I
you.
tell him say it.
Me never look you.
Me
Never look you.
That's true.
Like me I tell her say she look.
Anyway, what me daughter say? That me ask. Cause
Yeah.
from me coming from work, me not see that little giant foot there.
Me a pick the keeper. Me keep your pitney to me.
Me ask you.
After me pitney.
Who
Me
the-
ever piss out none? Why you the question me about your daughter? You have right to the question me about your pitney? Me tell you already. Me is not the auntie for song I had with pitney. Me tell you already. Me tell you little girl for in the house if she don't listen. So what me fi do? If I walk at and you have you man we have him with me tell you already say for your foot.
Yo,
cut
J-Par
on
up.
road.
J-Par up. I mean, I work, I bring in food, you know. You know, work. You always sit down. You only sit down at daytime.
So
If
me
I'm
ask you
phone.
something. When me did younger, my mother used to drape me up. My auntie they used to drape me up. Then I make me just walk and do what I want to
No,
do.
they used to afraid of you. They used to afraid of you.
Same thing with me afraid of she.
When she is younger, and when she's younger,
Yeah.
She not need for know
No
that.
man, no. Chat is
me I explain everything as a bigger brother.
Your chat too much as a bigger brother. Everybody had no need to know my business.
When
And
if you talk out of your mouth, me level down your nose.
you can't try me.
Yeah, no bother with that. Come here and see him thump up. Come here and forgot beat
You
him.
can't tell me all that sauce up this.
Me no know that.
Do not tell him my private business. Don't do that.
You're feeling if it knows myself.
I saw your talent just always have to embarrass me in front
When
of
we
me.
little young.
No.
Me can't chat him, man. Like, you know chat him. I can't chat him, man.
Ah.
Ah!
Yeah. You no need for no.
Mommy
Bill no,
used to-
bro.
when
Bill
mommy
no.
cook.
Bill no.
I want big old bowl she get. A big old bowl.
Acho.
When we get 2 dumplings, she get 5 dumplings.
Acho.
And when they got half of my dumpling, she done for her.
That's why I don't care people come here. Yeah. God knows.
No, me have to tell her the truth.
Just because of you.
So
You chat too much.
If you plan to feed her, make caramel porridge give her.
I eat dumpling meat or you know.
But you have money. You can't come give me no can meal what? Can meal what? You have your money.
She not like caramel.
Oh, me have to eat me nice fast food, my lobsters. As a matter of fact, me here need to do and them look something there, but me not rush the process because you don't know. Oh,
She not like caramel.
can meal what?
Everything.
Can meal what?
I'll caramel cake. Me coulda nyam if me coulda nyam it.
Rich nigga like you need to eat can meal.
Some of the time richness of life.
Sometimes
you know.
one day, no God.
You know they-
Why you just give me that one? You could give me a good sister.
Me a good sister cause me make you Tanya with your broke bad pitney them.
The only reason why you make me Tanya, cause me I work and provide. Yeah, you know.
I am not provide enough cause me not go dinner dates at night time. That's why I'm gonna. That's why me.
So me if you can't go for dinner dates. Me if you can't for dinner
You
dates.
should have the money.
No,
If
man.
you did not work hard enough, you would have rich.
Me, your brother,
Only
can't
my
for dinner
cousin,
dates.
only my cousin alone can go for dinner date and then look something.
Answer me question properly. Me, your brother, if you carry you out for dinner date, go do it.
Yeah, that's one way, man.
Eh?
Go do it.
Carry brother for that's one way, man.
He not have to come with me.
Why you
He
not?
can't pay for it. For me go.
Oh, you better say to me, say, me could have buy a bull and cheese with a bottle of water, no
You say that
problem. A
about
good
and
dinner
then a
date there.
separation. That's
Oh,
why me glad me.
that no good, man.
That's why me glad me find you. Because now me can go for my dinner date, then me can go to hotel and you know like
Can't
something.
carry anywhere. Can't fire.
You know what you have to, you not no choice. You not no choice. You have money so you're supposed to get me there.
That don't mean nothing.
Hotel.
Money on
We
it.
do it.
But relax.
We do
You
it.
can relax your yard, babes. Cool your yard nice. Watch look how this a seat right. I see him sleep. No sleep where they asleep, father.
Me tell you, say, me there, cause me come in, my daughter and them, me I wonder and I think.
I just chat about that.
Hello. Me no want hear it. My cousin a go on dinner date. My cousin a go a restaurant and do all that person and a go a hotel. Me must go a restaurant and hotel and everything too.
Hello.
Bother with me no cause
Hello.
me mash you up.
Hello.
What's your fool?
Yeah, me bust a secret no melt me mouth.
Me not a secret.
Oh.
Me not a secret.
Listen me. Let me tell you something. I know everybody you see I eat lavish lifestyle. Have it. You hear? True, your cousin gone on the road, go eat dinner. You want to go on the road. Why you not go down a bridge, go sell your body and go eat your own dinner?
You hear me one brother tell me say me gonna do sell me body.
Because if that's the lifestyle that you want, go to a road, go near a restaurant, you don't know whenever do a restaurant, whenever share food.
Yes.
You know more time people in there look at
Stop agree with him.
No, you want
You have the money, so what me I worry about?
you know more time
point.
people at restaurant round there cook and what's if you go pass them up
Me
there?
no business. Me no business. Me near me know what me no know can't hurt me.
It can hurt you.
Stop telling me nothing because I want to go on my date them too. And you're not supposed to say nothing because you're supposed to say yes. You're willing.
Yes, you're right. You're right.
Me right?
Right.
Me.
Yes, jackass. You, me right, yeah.
Right.
Me right.
Right, me right. Say it.
Yeah, me I
Me
go.
right,
Me I
yeah.
go on dinner dates.
Yeah, go for dinner date.
And wear my heels, my high heels. I see my clothes so.
Lord Jesus, please.
Hey.
My clothes
The
so.
last time you go to church when you're young, you pop up all of the heels that you have. And now you're bigger.
Hey, come on, cause no me no like
You're
with him.
bigger.
Come on.
Now you're bigger. And when you go mash up, Jesus, please. No, watch me, girl. You watch me.
So you up to?
There, look.
By there, look at that. You come with me, Alpha.
Man.
Stop act like nobody pretend. Cause you know me straightforward do what me want.
So you want.
What you up to?
So if you're straightforward, I don't know what you want.
What you up to? Cause you after something, you know. I'm not idiot. Remember, say my cousin always against you know stuff.
Which cousin always give me?
No bother with that. You know, say you can't stop act like say and she know like say you know you're money man, bro. I'm to you.
Alright, tell her. If you say me I money man, me I money man. Alright, me I money man.
Right, so what my cousin always there for your comfort.
You give me everything you want.
Exactly, so I'm gonna try to help you out with one too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See about like your cousin?
Bother.
Butter.
Yeah.
Like with 2 E and R.
2E.
I like you tell.
Mm-hmm.
Butter. So you can do.
Come on now, we'll find out.
No, you have to tell me first.
No man, let's
You
go.
have to tell me first.
Let's go and find out for yourself.
From morning, I go to work and come back. She not there. She not there. I must have looked over this sister in the house with man already. Every time he come with man. I work. Oh, let me come man, take out here and come out.
How are you out there mix what nice boat?
That's how quick you fly off.
Let me must fly off. I
No,
want
go on, bossy.
You enjoy yourself, don't you?
No, sir. No, sir.
We believe you.
No, with you. A different set me and Maurice, boy. I'm bossy, I'm waiting for a long time, man.
what you say no? My not try style off of me no.
Me not style, you can't style.
Come on, me no look
You
fine.
cannot style.
Eh?
You know,
You cannot style.
You
You're
know,
too
say,
big
you know,
for
say,
style.
man.
You're a big woman, man. Why you don't want style? You don't look a girl.
Eh. So what you dey do with that? You fix pipe now?
I look for my daughter. I'm going trashy ass.
Where that I do?
Me not see him. You know there?
No, man.
Family fought earlier. Me tell him say Tanya, right? She no listen.
Me tell you to tell her, say Tanya, sit down here.
For me and ma, me dey pop him out. Me and mama. Out of me come out and show me. And when me go use the bathroom, when me get up and look in the toilet, me see him in there. Yeah, family pop him out. You can't talk about me fi watch me for you. You out of the know.
You see, you're a type of woman you know for breathing.
If I feel me pick me mind, if me watch me pick me. But if I feel pick me, I feel responsibility enough for me.
Me like how mommy just fit you though.
I'm at address.
Can't afford nothing.
That's why you need to buy me some clothes so I can braff on them.
No, but look how the dress look nice. You show up.
This look nice, man.
You know, show no figure. I walk for man look for you.
I'm not tonight.
Girl, you idiot. If a man for look for you, I'm
Me not wrong because she not no shape.
Hey, you say I'll be a joking for that.
No man, from.
You not have a picnic I look for. You go look for your picnic.
You
You
don't
better
look for
tell.
me.
Come on, yeah. Come on. Cause right now, I'm not talking with you.
Yeah, I'm general.
Like a be a style off of me.
Hey, make sure you use boots, you know.
Come on.
All two.
I mean, I don't know if you have no disease. I know my sister. In bad like a yards.
You're right with me. Yes.
You ready?
Remember saying I want to eat the BM, you know?
BM.
Yes. And the big house.
You can't drive.
Me learn. Yeah, I'm gonna need the big house and everything to start out for me. And then my cousin one.
Every time I chat, you chat about your cousin. You like your cousin?
Yeah, me like my cousin. Yeah, my cousin did there. So, I mean, take you over your nose. So, I need to get exactly what she did I get.
You see, your cousin have Benz.
He have car and he have house. So, I want it.
Me can't give them, but you have to know I'm slap on your body.
Slap who?
So you
No.
So
me
you
not
go
slap.
get it.
You done slap me enough already.
When
Me
me
not
slap-
move
when
that.
me slap you?
No,
When me slap you?
me say.
When
No.
me slap you?
No.
You can't get no Benz then if you can't.
I know that.
Hour.
I know that.
Hour then.
So if you say this, I'll take me, I'm gonna get what I want. Stop ramping, no man. Right now, serious moments. Yeah. I need the Benz and the house.
Me a come down here. Come here, if you don't build the house up there so. And you just broke me fire. Look how you broke me stick. You know how far me and the stick there come from?
I check if you go check for our house. You talk about guy yard. Go and go finish the house so me and you can move in.
Come here, I'm going here.
Alright.
The big batty.
What about your business?
You say your batty so big.
Later.
Come on.
Boy. Tori come to bump and dagger lead him. And what is? What?
How you look so?
You not see a man since lately, dog?
Which man?
Oh.
Which one you
me
talk
have
about?
the good.
We are talking about.
Me have the good.
How
Don't
would
worry
I
yourself
supposed
about
to
that,
mean?
man. Your time has come. You're so sick.
You go mad?
Who mad with what?
Which man you talking about?
Fear man. Fear man? Yeah, fear man.
You ever meet me man before?
No, we have never met. For
So
me,
you
an
talk
idiot.
about female man.
Don't worry yourself. Your time has come, man. You're so sick. You're good, though. How you go?
Me yard.
Alright, then later, mum. Me see you.
Hold on, how you dress so? You look like a mad man. Why you dress like that?
At the good grip close this. Go on, boy, your business. Go on, boy, your business. That with your fire come from fire and the top come criticize.
Well,
Every minute
we
you
are
come
top
criticize
grip.
people. Every minute if you see me, you come criticize me. But your time shall come. Your time shall come. Leave me, I'm a nice clean clothes. You know much for this?
Because of that nice
25,000
and clean.
American for this. African ship down. Go on, boy, your business. Go on, boy, your business. You criticize people too much. Go on, go along. Papi show. Take your care happy.
What about auntie?
Wow, go on, auntie. Hey.
Where she come from?
Ha! Where you come from, ma'am? That is none of your business. Go on, boy, your business.
Alright, you sort out your niece. Me can go my
Go on, boy, your business.
Alright.
Where you come from? Hey. Up there, sir?
Yeah.
Your pa, I look for you for murder you.
Look for me, look for me.
You give me a lick to me, fa? You
What am I
must sit
saying?
today. Today you gonna get some rat, you clot lick.
Beat me.
What? Beat? Go on down.
What is that, man?
Go to him. Go home.
Alright, you know.
Go on. Me the back of you, my love. Landlord, come.
Yes! Where you come from?
Up the road.
So what are they? Up the road? No. You have to better than up the road? You have to better than up the road?
I'm hungry and I want something to eat and if I eat my fork and look it.
Don't put me in your man.
Come here, sir.
Mine a picnic.
Come here,
No
sir.
put me there, no put me there. No put
Just
me there.
your bumbo.
Me
Come here,
say
sir.
no put me there.
Come here, sir. Come here, sir. Me not left money to cook game. Me not left money here. Me
Him
not-
left man.
When you left money, I'm gonna eat long time and I eat nothing from morning.
He do you don't left dollar. Don't tell
Me
no
not
lie.
left money here. See you later. See that's like 280.
Get to lick me to this.
I left
That's
chick.
it, me, you pick me.
Me like
Aye.
chick down here.
No. No.
Eh?
No. Hey, me no pitney. Me no pitney lick him. Him you have.
Me?
I'm gonna have up the road. I'm gonna have up the road. Yes, I know.
No, I'm gonna sit down and I'm so for eat. I'm hungry.
I see me a call on for me.
No, Daddy, but I'm hungry. I have nothing for me eat.
Me like get chicken.
Yeah, give me dollar. That tell lie.
And the money you take in the man.
Me not give no man the money. Me name that.
Oh. So you need the money when me pick the get
Me
food.
tell her already say me not mind him.
money.
I don't for me him. I'm not business any money you give me for me. And that's the
So I
truth.
say you see it.
Any money you give me, for me.
If I say you have 3 days now. And
You the talk about, me not talk here, say not talk to all little Philly from boy, yeah.
Philly.
Yeah. Now watch me and the money.
No, I'm hungry and I give me the money.
Philly. So if me don't give you money, I feel it.
Yeah, Philly.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Make it girl turn, make him collect him little money. You not give him, so if you collect him.
She have 14. 14.
So 15, 16, 2 years.
Are your sister, are your auntie footstep me mean your father?
Give him 2 years.
When she a level, her fall come then get China.
And they fall in and they make no nice, then they enjoy.
And her fall, they enjoy it.
Me say they enjoy the view, the vision, the view of everything. Then they make no nice.
So I say you want she come
If
in.
you want to go in a folk up, that's a fee business, me never send him up in there.
I say you behave as an auntie.
As an auntie. Because me now watch up in there, none of me auntie they watch me.
Anything where you run on your wine get.
Me no business.
You see anything where you pay
No matter
attention
how much
to.
I lick you give me can't come out of him. Oh.
I say you feel.
Yes.
I say you feel.
Yes.
Right now me like that was and whap him. And every mark will come on his skin and he see it, he not go do nothing.
Do
bad.
it and you will see.
I just-
Nothing not come out of it. And so that they scare the heel up back. So floop. Skin cover back in. Gone again. You can't stop it.
So I see an influencer. Just tell me too. I see tell you out a man in there.
No, no,
Oh, thank you. Thank
So
you.
when the
When
bad
me tell you say, turn at the yard, no left and out, and that me always say. And you always say, oh me don't want to go, me not go nowhere, me not this. By the time I come back, you're gone. So no blame me.
If it is tell her that she wanna left you. Let me tell her that.
Look, girl, me not tell you every time I left you, I say don't come out of the yard. So why every time
Why you
come
need
back,
to
you
come
say,
out?
I'm hungry, I want something to eat and
Oh.
okay.
But we don't pay the nose, you know. Let it go. Let it go. Hello. You know what? Turn up like this. I'm not talking about that liquor. Turn up like this. Hold up on your foot. Hold it. Hold it, sir. Hold it. Put your hand by your head. And count to 100. While me talk to she.
You
Come
can't
here.
talk to me, there's nothing you can tell me. But come on from the roof, like,
Go on me cheek, girl.
you do what with it?
Me want me cheek out there.
Wait till me use the toilet. You shall get it back.
So I say you're going with me.
Why you want me to do? You not give me money or if you go at dinner and then look sitting there. You not give me money if you get to go to hotel and look sitting there. Me have to, anything you give me, have to near me.
So, me if you take my hard working money.
Yes.
If you feed my picnic if I
Yes.
go far go beg man money.
Yes.
Feed you.
Yes.
Offer you offer no song you know sing so.
Me name do. I'm belly full.
If you want them big old time.
This is me that I can't stand.
Hey, hold up your bags! Hold it up! Hold it up! Hold it up, yes! Hold it up!
Hold it up.
Hold it up!
Hold it
My
up.
picnic now come in here. Hold it up!
Hold it up. Me tell you nothing left yard. Hold it up.
Hold it up! Hold it up! This teacher saying over left yard because of that you go get.
Yeah. That you go get.
If I did wicked like Mass Jack, would have stripped you naked and beat you out and run with everybody
Yeah.
for you.
Mm-hmm.
So you better turn and hold it.
Yeah.
That's how you punish me for the day.
Hold it up.
And when the day you can call your mother and tell him why the reason why we make you
That walk body. That probably left it phone somewhere. And she didn't get it from
No, you get it from you.
me.
Because you're red eye. That
Wait,
is
what?
what you see,
What me red
you're
eye for?
red eye for people think.
Me not ready if you not me want and me go after it. There's a difference.
Oh, You want what you want, you go off of
Me
it.
want what me want and me go after it.
Satisfied with it.
If me want the phone, me go after it. If me want money, me go after it. If me want anything, me go after it. It's not no red eye. Everybody wants.
So why you don't go for a better life?
Then no hit me, they go after.
No.
Eh.
You go the wrong road, but me not tell
I
you.
don't know wrong road. Me I go for what me I go far. Me I go the easier route.
Anything will come easy, no good.
It come, it
Now
good.
tell her that.
It good. And it shall
Look. Anything will come easy, no good. She instead of Tanya and cook and eat. If you're not cook, you go for a go beg. Right? I am giving thumbs up.
Right. Very right.
Me.
I have to right. I'm figuring to make the pipe in my hand. Me make water run through this out of here, you know. Or what?
What you go like my father the year? You just get him. He think you've tried bend the tree from it. Young! You have tried bend when the tree doesn't have
No.
branches will drop off and everything
We
already.
still have 4 more here. I can bend that tree before
That
4 more
can't
years.
bend again. He can't touch the tree hole. What you gonna do? There's nothing you might pretend with you. Say yes, my best daughter. And then
Who you,
after a
young
while-
man? Who you? Where you do over here? You know him?
Oh, me know people pitney. Yeah, me say me no mind, me no watch people.
Are you look me that? Are you call me that out of yard? Just sure that you call up me that out of yard?
A tree. Tree call out the
Who?
daughter.
Che! Hey!
Hey!
Bruh, yo, we are the. Sorry. Man, we are doing people yard.
Are you better?
Brother, sorry about that. I don't know anything about it.
Listen to me.
Trey!
I shall find one.
Glory come to God.
Make that live
Yeah,
here
man,
again.
stand right there, so.
What you do? Lean up off of this.
Lean up, come out. Come, me help you, as a
Stand up.
auntie, come.
Stand up.
Stand up right
Punishment
there,
not
so,
done
and
yet.
balance, yeah.
Mm.
On the foot.
But teach you something for you.
Yeah, girl, have to.
You know.
Have to go.
Hey,
Have to.
you know. You have to go have. Go take up a chimney we have on that bed. You couldn't. Me don't know why you never go in the toilet go do. Why you have to do it in the toilet? The man they were seeing when they left after for you.
You chat too much. You chat too much.
What you do?
You chat too much.
Who?
You chat too much. You have flush toilet, yeah. Me have to wait till night to fling your bush. Just relax. You chat too much.
Wow, wow, what a disgrace.
Hold on in here.
What a disgrace. China moving up.
Anytime you take me for.
Me take you for your statue. Don't move. Don't even move an inch. You disgrace me. You call them shame for me. Me there work. People are look for me and I say my daughter they from man yard to man yard a beg. And that's why I left her earlier today to come look for you. If you say for true and not true, me can't believe you. Eh? Me left 3 grand here and your big old auntie, your big old slabber sitting where they sit down in there and take Jan at night time and daytime. Name the money. Just a man exercise back out of him. And you have a big old load of doo-doo underneath the bed in a chimney. Eh? Who does that? Who have chimney in the timer? Eh? Eh? Who have chimney? Me know say, you know, go on in, I'm sorry for you. Go on in. Sometimes when you sorry for them worse. God can just take you to a amount of my life one time, just sweet then go so. You go get. Make sure you cook! I'm matter of fact, nobody want no food because I do they turn me off. Think you fat. God,
Yes, you're there. Glad to see you.
Yeah, my dog.
Madam, you know. You remember one little rich man who you don't want me around none time? Just because he come here well, props up. My man is after my man now.
Huh? What you talk about?
Your rich man is my man now.
Me man not the year, miss.
You can't fool me. I am man. You
I
just
know me man no fly down. What you talk about?
what I'm saying?
me take you man.
Over man.
So you come trace me.
Over man.
Me no
Yeah.
Fear man.
Man come.
I see me walk with him someone. If I fear man, I take.
Yeah, that's. Me say, fee man. Well, build up. Yes, I know. Yeah.
Wagwan!
One there.
Wagwan!
Baby, what?
Yeah.
Wagwan.
I am
Embarrassed. She embarrassed because I'm rich man this year.
Boss and boss.
I'm
teacher.
the staff. This we are double.
Who? And she pump on work, you know. A few months me a bill, baby, that's how me get the money.
So now
I tell you, some man not there.
I am rich man, I am man.
Oh,
Where?
babes, me say me
Where?
rich in life.
Where?
My richness is
Where?
life.
Where?
No money.
I tell you, I warn you. You're jealous, you're going to put you down.
What's sweet now the goat that go run.
Shut up! I lie, tell you. You're rich, dog.
Rich in life.
Where?
You're not rich.
Yo. What that for?
Because you tell me say I'm rich man.
Me rich in life.
The man
Me
there
live
is
life, me
rich.
healthy.
So you get so much money from?
How do you buy lumber? And the lumber money is it?
So, if you say
I got money.
money, me have money there with me for.
So what's your man there?
You don't need to know that.
I'm money there with me for.
God, you see what we did there, warn you?
I'm money there with me for.
I make you breathe me.
So,
Why?
so if I didn't
I want
want
to
to
be
that
out
take
here.
him.
No, cause me not stay so.
Me see?
But you brief him.
Me breathe fit for them.
You don't say you're gonna mind the pit there by yourself.
Who are man? You're
You
mad?
don't mind me.
You're mad?
You there with me for money, you better.
No.
We need no.
No bother with there. You plant the seed. Watch it grow.
We are the DNA as a picnic barn. If I might.
Are you one because me did think you're rich man? So me are you one me did I deal with none of that?
Because you're lying. You tell me say you love me.
Don't touch me.
Come pray for you.
Don't touch me. Cause you cause spam me. You're mad. You. Every day you me too jealous with this that me bread. And you cause them I see if it happen to me. You and you class this girl where hiding man.
And me open up your foot and put in it in a
And you will pretend like that you rich.
You tell me say you love me because me cute and I tell me say you want me money.
No, that me did say you cute because of her money. No, you're ugly. You're ugly to me now. You're ugly. I know me breathe you and bro. I never see you coming like a son, this brother.
When you need a pants up you come, you never see. You never see.
Yeah, you never see.
You never see.
And you and your mouth every day. You know for good food. You know for this, you know for that. Where rich man there?
Mommy need a one night she
Excuse
cost me
You
for
might
you.
come when the place done.
Now ask me no question.
Come when
You're wicked.
they
You
done.
wicked.
But you have one seed there. Watch it grow.
Me tired, I'm a one here.
Yeah, as that barn, you have the DNA coming up.
No, yes, it's true.
And you alone me did I deal with come think you're man.
You're a liar and you're wicked. You tell me say you like me because me cute now. You say you not cause of money. Why else you tell me
Money
lie
did
about?
make you cute.
Girl, you're a liar. Me no believe
Money
you.
make you beautiful.
No.
What make you
Money make you
I want to
fantabulous.
make you breathe.
What make you breathe?
Because money did it. So me breathe it, hold him.
Alright, no
I
money.
see
No
you
money
now.
don't need it.
I want
Make it
to
money
pregnancy
Make
care
it
one.
money.
You did that.
You know, hold him, but me still like getting money. Don't need a relationship. Me did I look money.
I never did a look relationship, but they get happy.
I should have seen it too. Call time me asking for money.
You know what it
next
means?
day.
You know what it means? You can't tell you.
Who?
You can't tell you.
Who are gonna tap me? Fantania.
Me nah mind nobody pick me. Hello.
You can't tap me, Fantania.
Yo,
Me have up on the work, you know. Me not have time for this, you know.
yo, go on.
Up on the work, you know.
You never push her, so.
No!
No, I deserve it.
You deserve that.
You deserve it. I want
And
wicked.
more and more that are coming in the house, you know. More and more.
I'm wicked.
Later.
See my
You can't kick me up.
How much you close?
I'm on my place and I feel.
Me nah know see you know. Come on, see who first bad.
Come take me out. Take me out.
Why, boss? Me don't know what kind of trouble I'm put myself in.
No.
Turn so.
Don't worry about it. She alright.
Anyways, me gonna go my business.
Yeah, got money.
Yeah, you got money. Go on.
No, me not
And your rich man still in a danger, girl. Where?
Go wash out your hole. You carry too much carbine and too much garbage in there.
That's why me this one, yo. Your crab, your cran, you know. You say you're a brother. That's why me this one, yo. Wicked.
Too in there so dark, me can't even see you're too black. Go in and up your teeth, that's it. Lock you in. Where?